Across our planet lie vast stretches of land, each with its own unique characteristics and stories to tell. Some are lush and green, teeming with life and vibrant ecosystems that thrive in the abundance of water and nutrients. Some are dry and desolate, where the sun beats down mercilessly and the earth cracks under the relentless heat. These are the deserts of our world, vast and seemingly inhospitable, yet full of mystery and wonder. They are places of extreme temperatures and unforgiving conditions. Yet, life persists in the most unexpected ways, adapting to the harsh environment. Today, we journey to the heart of Asia, to a place where the desert meets the cold. Join us as we explore the cold winter deserts of Turan, a place where the sands are kissed by frost and the winds carry a chill. The Turan Desert is a unique and often overlooked part of our planet, a place where the usual desert heat is replaced by the icy breath of winter. Unlike the scorching Sahara, the Turan faces the icy breath of winter, creating a landscape that is both harsh and beautiful. This region of Central Asia is a place of stark beauty and hidden wonders, where the natural world reveals its resilience and adaptability. It is a land shaped by the forces of nature, where wind and ice sculpt the sand into ever-changing forms. Come, let us venture into this world of extremes, where the cold winds blow and the desert reveals its secrets. Let us uncover the secrets of the Turan, a place where the cold and the desert meet in a dance of survival and beauty. The Turan Desert sprawls across a vast region of Central Asia. Imagine a giant sandbox stretching across several countries. It encompasses Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, and Kazakhstan. Parts of Iran and Afghanistan also fall within its reach. This region is landlocked, far from the reach of oceans. Mountains and plateaus define its borders. The landscape is a mosaic of different features. Rolling sand dunes dominate some areas. Other parts are flat plains of gravel and clay. Scattered salt pans, remnants of ancient seas, dot the landscape. This is the stage upon which the drama of the Turan unfolds. The Turan Desert is a land of subtle beauty. It stretches across vast expanses, offering a unique and mesmerizing landscape that captivates the soul. It's not all endless sand dunes, as one might imagine. The Turan Desert is a mosaic of different terrains, each with its own charm and character. The landscape is surprisingly diverse. From rolling sand dunes to rocky outcrops, the desert offers a variety of scenes that are both breathtaking and awe-inspiring. Imagine standing atop a high plateau. The view from here is nothing short of spectacular, with the vast desert stretching out below you, a seemingly endless expanse of natural beauty. Below you, a sea of sand stretches to the horizon. These dunes are not just piles of sand. They are dynamic, ever-changing forms sculpted by the wind. These are the famous sand dunes of the Karakum Desert, part of the larger Turan. The Karakum is known for its vast and dramatic dunes that seem to go on forever. They rise and fall like waves frozen in time. Each dune tells a story of the winds that shaped it, creating patterns that are both intricate and beautiful. The wind sculpts them into ever-changing shapes. Over time, the dunes shift and move, a testament to the relentless power of nature. In other areas, the land flattens out into vast plains. These plains are a stark contrast to the towering dunes, offering a different kind of beauty. These are the clay and gravel deserts. Here, the terrain is more rugged, with a mix of clay and gravel that creates a unique and striking landscape. Here, the earth is baked hard by the sun. The ground cracks under the intense heat, creating a mosaic of dry, parched earth. The ground is often littered with stones, polished smooth by the wind. These stones add to the desert's unique texture, each one a testament to the passage of time. The Turan Desert is a testament to the power of nature to shape the land. Its diverse landscapes, from towering dunes to flat plains, rocky outcrops to smooth stones, all tell a story of the natural forces at work. This desert is not just a barren wasteland, it is a vibrant and dynamic environment, full of life and beauty. The Turan Desert experiences a continental climate. This means hot summers and cold winters. Imagine a place where temperatures swing from one extreme to another. During the summer months, the sun beats down mercilessly. Temperatures can soar well above 100 degrees Fahrenheit, or 38 degrees Celsius. The air is dry and shade is scarce. Winter brings a different kind of challenge. Temperatures plummet below freezing. Snowfall is rare, but icy winds sweep across the plains. The Turan Desert is a land of extremes. Only the toughest and most adaptable can survive here. Section 5. Life finds a way. Flora of the Turan Desert. Despite the harsh conditions, life persists in the Turan Desert. Plants here have adapted to survive the extremes. They have developed remarkable strategies for finding and conserving water. One of the most common plants is the Saxaul tree. This hardy tree has adapted to the dry, salty soil. Its long roots reach deep underground in search of water. Its leaves are small and scaly, reducing water loss through transpiration. Other plants, like the camel thorn and various shrubs, also thrive in this environment. They provide sustenance for the animals that call this desert home. Section 6. Against the odds. Fauna of the Turan Desert. The Turan Desert, a vast and seemingly inhospitable expanse, is home to a surprising variety of life forms. Despite the harsh conditions, the desert teems with resilient creatures that have adapted to survive in one of the most extreme environments on Earth. The animals of the Turan Desert are just as resilient as the plants. They have evolved over millennia to withstand the scorching heat and scarce water resources. Each species has its own unique set of adaptations that enable it to thrive where others might perish. They have developed incredible adaptations to cope with the heat and lack of water. For instance, many desert animals are nocturnal, coming out only at night when temperatures drop. This behavior helps them conserve water and avoid the intense daytime heat. One of the most iconic animals of the region is the Bactrian camel. These majestic creatures are not just symbols of the desert. They are vital to the ecosystem and the people who inhabit these arid lands. These remarkable creatures are perfectly suited for desert life. Their thick fur protects them from both extreme heat and cold, and their long eyelashes and sealable nostrils keep out sand during desert storms. Their two humps store fat, which can be converted into water and energy. This adaptation allows them to go for long periods without food or water, making them indispensable for desert travel and trade. They can go for days without drinking, and their wide feet prevent them from sinking into the sand. This unique feature enables them to traverse the shifting sands with ease. Other animals, like gazelles, foxes, and various reptiles, have also adapted to thrive in this challenging environment. Gazelles, for example, have developed the ability to extract moisture from the plants they eat, while desert foxes have large ears that help dissipate heat. They are a testament to the power of life to find a way. The resilience and adaptability of these animals are truly remarkable, showcasing nature's ingenuity in the face of adversity. The Turan Desert, though harsh and unforgiving, is a vibrant ecosystem where life not only survives, but flourishes. Section 7. Echoes in the sand, history and culture of the Turan. The Turan Desert has a rich history and culture. For centuries, nomadic tribes have roamed its vast expanse. They have herded their livestock across the plains and adapted to the harsh conditions. The ancient Silk Road, a network of trade routes connecting east and west, passed through the region. It brought traders, travelers, and new ideas to the area. The ruins of ancient cities and caravanserais, like Merv and Khiva, still stand today. They are a reminder of the region's vibrant past. Section 8. A delicate balance. The future of the Turan Desert. The Turan Desert is a fragile ecosystem. Climate change, desertification, and human activities are all taking a toll. Rising temperatures and changing rainfall patterns threaten the delicate balance of life. Overgrazing and unsustainable land management practices are contributing to desertification. It is crucial that we protect this unique and important ecosystem. Conservation efforts are underway to preserve the Turan Desert's biodiversity and cultural heritage. Sustainable land management practices are being implemented to combat desertification. Educating local communities about the importance of conservation is essential. Section 9. Conclusion: The Whispers of the Desert. The Turan Desert is a land of stark beauty and remarkable resilience. It is a place where life has adapted to survive against all odds. As we have journeyed through its vast expanse, we have witnessed the power of nature to shape the land. The Turan Desert holds valuable lessons for us all. It teaches us about adaptation, resilience, and the interconnectedness of all living things. It reminds us of the importance of preserving our planet's biodiversity. Let us heed the whispers of the desert and work together to protect this fragile and irreplaceable ecosystem.